Hello everyone. So as we have seen in the previous lecture, we have sent the sync package to ping a network. Now in this lecture, we will be looking at the similar command which is known as TCP acknowledgement ping. Now I have already explained you in the previous lecture what is the three-way handshake rule. I will not going into deep now. So in this using this command, we will be sending a acknowledgement package to ping a network. So let me show you the command and we will be testing it on Nmap test side. So the command will goes like nmap space minus sign capital P capital A and the website. Okay, that is canme.nmap.org. Oh, okay, so the site is blocking the acknowledgement package, right? So we are not getting the host up, but we have seen in the previous lecture we are getting the results using the sync package, right? So actually the site is blocking the acknowledgement package. Now let us try this on our test server. Okay, let me clear this out and map again space minus sign P and the capital A and our test server, that is 192.168.0.106. Okay, yep. So as you can see, it has shown the scan results and it says the host is up. Okay, so we can use this command when the ICMP request is blocked. Also the sync requests are blocked by the network firewalls. Okay, so this was the another command which we can use to know whether the host is up or not.